your little one are fine at home, right? Yes, I welcome you all for our day 19 English online reading class, and today's topic is how to introduce CVC words using O vowel. So before introducing the CVC words, you just check your child whether are they able to read the combination like O vowel with a consonant. So like O, B, ob. They should be in a position to read it together like ob. Here we have the combination of O vowel along with all the consonant. And do you know one thing? O vowel is such a lovely vowel. He is friendly with all the consonant. And this is how you should make your child read together like ob, ob, ok, ok, odd, odd, o. The sound of O is something like orange. When you say orange, so the sound of o, off, off, og, og, oh, og, oj, oj, ok, ok, o, l. Ending sound of L sound is l. O, on, o, on, op, op, ok, ok. We can't find much word with ending sound of ok. But when you are making your child read together, you can just give a practice of this. O, r, or, os, os, ot, ot, o, w, of, o, w, of, ox, ox, o, y, oi, oz, oz. Clear? Now let me show you how to join a consonant along with this combination. I'm going to use a very few combination along with this because by this time I'm sure your child would have started reading together, right? So let me take all two words. Now the first one is ought words. When you join a consonant in front of it, like for example, k, the sound of C is k, k, ought, k, ought, k, ought, caught. Next one is h, h, and ought, h, ought, heart, l, ought, lot, n, ought, not, p, ought, p, ought, pot. Okay, so now the next combination that we are going to do with op. Let's see that. O, p, right? When you add m consonant in front of it, we should make your child read like this m and op together, and ask your child to read little faster. M op, mop. Right? The next one is h, op, h, op, hop, t, op, top, top, k, op, cop. And the next combination is og words. Let me see how to make your child read og words. Here you have O and G combination. Together it's og. When you join L. L. Og. L. Og. L. Og. Log. Right? D. Og. D separately and og together. D. Og. Dog. That makes your child easy to read. And the next one is F. Og. F. Og. Fog. Fog. And J. Og. Jog. Right? So the next one is ox words. Ox. 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 Join F along with this. F. Ox. Fox. Right? B and ox. B. Ox. Box. And let me show you now oi words. Yeah? O and y together. Oi. Now join a consonant. It's b. B. Oi. B. Oi. B. Oi. Boy. Right? T. Join on together. T. Oi. Toy. Toy. Next one is adding j. Oy. Joy. So friends, this is how I make my children read CVC words using O vowel. When you are introducing, try to introduce as many as words possible. I'm just showing you an example of a very few words. And in my next class, I'll show you a paragraph with O and I vowels along with some of the sight words. Till that, take care. Bye bye.